Hello, beautiful people, and thank you very much for coming back to watch another one of my videos. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for being here. I have created this clean with me video, but as you can see, my dog wants to play. Every time I'm busy, he always wants to come for a cuddle, which is nice, but for now, the house is a mess. This was after breakfast. My baby had played. There were toys everywhere. There was food shopping that needed to be put away. So it was one very, very busy morning. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one.